You guys always ask me in that one video when it says like, "Run to me, confess you love and with me to say." Yeah, in that video, it was some people asked, "How do you do your your lipstick?" Of course, I did with this, and let me get my thing real quick. The butter squishy is so big. And now all of you ask, what is this? I'm gonna open it. Stays open. Try it again. But I actually. Okay, sorry about that. Let me just get. I'm wiping off my hand. You can get red lipstick or purple, I don't care, or black. There we got it. Goes together.